So today, don't mind my room or how I look, how I am. I'm gonna be making a one piece outfit, you know, from a t-shirt. So I'm gonna be making this. I'll show you it. From this. Making it for my sister. So we'll see how it comes out. So I'm about to sew this shirt into something that looks like this. This is just my measurements. I took my sister, so they're making this for my sister. I got all my tools. First, I'm about to cut it into these little shapes that I measured and stuff like that, and I'll come back. All right, so now I cut this top piece off. Don't need that. And now I'm gonna make the tube top part. So I have this measured. So I measured her top and it came out to be 35. So I did that in half because obviously front and back. So I think I did about 18 actually, or and then her waist was 30, so I did, and she said she wanted it tight, you know. So I think I did that about 14 3/4 actually instead of 15. So now I'm gonna do pins all down where I'm gonna sew, and her crotch is gonna be right here. So this is where I'm gonna make the you know, the little slits for the leg. So I'm gonna pin it all up and then I'm gonna show you. All right, so now I have all the pinned up. You can kind of see the little shape. This is where the crotch is gonna go. I'm gonna cut it out after I'm gonna pin it up because I'm running out of pins. Well, I mean, I can still do it, but I just want to cut it out first, sew that part, and then work on that part. These ain't even my pins. These are my mama's pins. But, yeah, so I'm just gonna cut this out with a little bit of seam allowance. I usually use chalk to do this. Like I have this little, again, my mom has this sewing chalk or whatever, but it's not really showing on this fabric. So we're just gonna pin it, and I made sure I did my pins straight. Like, make sure you do your pins straight because I almost veered out and was, you know, like this side I did it pretty straight, but whatever. I'm about to cut it out and come back. Now, as you can see, I cut out all around, and good thing I have this extra because she's talking about she might want straps. Yeah, so now I'm gonna sew. I didn't leave much seam allowance because I'm just gonna sew like literally right here. It's already inside out, so I'm just gonna sew basically where the needles are and come back. Oh, also, I don't know if I said I'm putting this elastic around this edge, the top part. So now we are right here. I sewed up the edges. You can see white string, black string. The black string was messing up, so I found this white string. It's on the inside, doesn't really matter. So just the edges is sewed, and this is where the crotch is going to be. I'm going to cut it, make shorts, possibly straps. I'm done for the day. The sewing machine is giving me some problems, and it's getting late, and yeah. So I'm going to flip it inside out. We're just going to take a peek, see what it looks like, and then finish the rest tomorrow. All right, now, a couple days later, actually, and I just cut down the middle, and now I'm going to sew one line like that, you know? So I'm going to sew that and come right back. Sewing machine. Bye. So, just got done sewing the leg. So now I'm going to put the elastic in the top part. So now I'm going to measure the elastic around her